lightning. The slang I spit is mad frightening. Drum hits, make your kid to get a bit of etiquette before we split the seat to try to spit a bit of rhetoric. The gun is insane, don't go put it away. Yeah, we be running the game, yeah, it's all one and the same.
Now get your drum on, get your drum on, get your drum on, get your drum on.
I got this shit on lock, I got this shit on lock. Holler at me if you own my block. I got this shit on lock, I got this shit on lock. Holler at me if you own my block. I got a choke chain for my pimple lane. I got a shot collar for my rock collar. Got a choke chain for my pimple lane. I got a shot collar for my rock collar. Got a choke chain. I got a shot collar. I got a choke chain. I got a shot collar. I got a choke chain for my pitbull mane. I got a shot collar for my Rottweiler. Got a choke chain for my pitbull mane. I got a shot collar for my Rottweiler. Choke chain. I got a shot collar. I got a choke chain. I got a shot collar. I got this shit on lock. I got this shit on lock. Holler at me if you own my block. I got this shit on lock. I got this shit on lock. Holler at me if you own my block. I got your doubts on the caliber.